right opposite the main gate of this Karagar here at Taloja. And Abhishek, if you see these live visuals of people showing diyas from their residences. So this is something which is unprecedented, and all of this is organic, Abhishek. This is not to a political rally. People have not been called, Abhishek.
Absolutely. This is love for Arnab. This is love for Arnab's work. This is love for the spirit in which we have picked up stories which touch people's heart and they understand it. And I am again repeating, this is something, these pictures should also make Maharashtra government see reason and also to respect the spirit, not just the letter of the Supreme Court order today, and respect Arnab's liberty as an individual, as a media man, as someone who brings people's voices to them. You know, constructive criticism or criticism of any kind is integral to our democracy, and that is something which is getting reflected in today's verdict. The manner in which Arnab's freedom was restrained, constrained and incarcerated. Supreme Court verdict today has come very hard on the High Court today. I would not mince words, and for that very reason, I believe Arnab's release today, as is being celebrated here, should be seen as a victory for democratic principle of freedom of fourth estate, and that is and this love of people should also be seen in that spirit and respected by the powers that be.
Absolutely, Abhishek. And if you could just pan the camera across right 180 degrees back, and if I could just show you, that's the main road through which you are just going to see the car which is going to carry Arnab Goswami out within the next few minutes. This is the normal protocol. Another car going in, but the white SUV is going to have Arnab Goswami in it within the next few minutes. The immediate family of Arnab Goswami has been allowed to go him and then bring him out. And as we've been showing you, these are the visuals of the Zilla Karagar here at and right across 180 degrees. Those are the visuals on your screens, people. Police arrangements being done so that the number of people who've gathered here, who've come out on their own, the organic gathering which has happened, because often the question is raised that how do you get so many people in a political rally? So this is not a political rally. These are people who've come to just know about the well-being of one man, and that is Arnab Goswami. You see, because he's the man, he's the journalist who's raised their voice. He's the journalist who has raised those questions which meant to be asked. And I'm not only mentioning about Palghar and then Hathras, Niranjan. Those are questions ever since he started to do journalism. He's been doing it, Niranjan.
Yeah. Like, Aishwarya, during our broadcast this morning, we were saying, we were talking about how, and we were discussing how people from around the world, and today I had an Indian American writing to us saying, in 2005, I lost my cousin, sister. He said Arnab was the only journalist in India who picked that case up, a very famous case in Bengaluru.
Yeah.
Picked that case up, ensured that she got justice. She said that was 2005.
That's the reason you pick up such subjects.
She said in 2020, I was the victim of another fraud because my parents got looted by a bank called Sri Raghavendra Bank.
Okay.
And once again, Arnab and Republic TV was the only channel that picked it up. She spoke about how in 15 years she personally has had Arnab intervene twice and make a difference to her life. And she said someone who's gone out and let's talk about all the cases. The PMC scam recently, the Sri Raghavendra Bank scam, and so many people's issues that we've picked up. And that is why, if you're looking at people there supporting him in large numbers, trusting his journalism, that is because he has impacted people's lives directly.
Directly. You've been at this. These people, there are around more than 2,000, 2,500 people who've come there organically. And as you were just showing, even on the 10th floor, 9th floor, people blinking their lights just to show their support.
Yeah, it sort of fizzled out because I think everybody's, I think the torchlights are off. Torchlights are off, but I think the kind of scenes we've seen here and the kinds of scenes we will see when he's out, I'm looking forward to that because we just want to see him. And I had one picture. I don't know whether I can show that picture, but let me try.
Try.
I think the car is coming out. There's a car that's coming out.
Yeah, let's just. No, that's a two-wheeler.
That's a car. That's.
Yes. To come out.
Yes, there's a. Anytime now. I think the cars are lining up. Aishwarya. I'm keeping a close track on that.
Keeping a finger crossed.
Yeah. The cars are lining up.
Yeah.
So, waiting to see Arnab. I think we all have been worried about his well-being. The first picture that I saw.
Yeah, it's still going to take a couple of more minutes. That's the message which has come from inside. There is just a couple of more minutes now. And we also have Abhishek with us, Niranjan.
Okay, the cars are coming out. The cars are coming out. The convoy is coming out.
The escort car. Turn around. Yeah.
Don't jump.
I think
इसके पीछे That's the car, that's the car, that's the car. That's the escort car, and we're still waiting for Arnab's car to leave the Taluja jail. He's been here for 7 days. We know the condition in which he was brought here, and he's going to leave the jail anytime now, any minute now. Heavy police presence. I've seen at least 150, 200 policemen here who are guarding the Taloja jail, ensuring that the law and order situation is under control. Over 1,000 to 2,000 people who are simply here to wish Arnab, to just see him as he leaves the jail, are on the other side of the road. And there's heavy police presence there as well. I think everybody's been waiting for this moment when he leaves jail. They just want this to be over. We just want this to be over so that Arnab, can get back to the studios, get back to the news, and do what he does best. That's an empty vehicle. Okay, false alarm. That's an empty vehicle. An empty vehicle there, just leaving. Empty vehicle, just leaving the Taloja jail. And yes, everyone. In fact, a lot of members of the Republic team are here. We're all here, waiting for Arnab to leave. But this is not. No. This is not the van. This is not the van. We are live. We are live right now. So this is not the van in which he's being brought out. Yeah. So that was an empty van that was just moving out. A second van also moving out and waiting for Arnab's car to exit the Taloja jail. That wasn't the security convoy. Okay, but we see that there is some more movement. A four-wheeler perhaps just leaving the Taloja jail. That's the car. Okay, that's the car. That's a security vehicle. And behind that is a white car in which Arnab is traveling. Arnab is seated in that car. And he's just going to... That's the one. Okay, he's coming out now. He's coming out of the Taloja jail. Live pictures from just outside Mumbai. It's the moment that we've all been waiting for. We've been waiting for Arnab to leave the jail and leave judicial custody. And the police just trying to push us away, but Arnab is just about to leave. Just about to leave. Okay, not sure. We'll try our best to get a soundbite. Trying our best to get a soundbite, but we're being told that there may not be much of an opportunity to speak to him. I'm going to try and... Okay, we're all going towards this car. आराम से ओके आराम से ओके going yeah moving that's Arnab, he's just coming out a little bit of a stubble I think side
से बाहर आ गए। तस्वीरें हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं। अर्नब गोस्वामी, ये उनके वेलकम के लिए, उनके स्वागत के लिए सैकड़ों हजारों की भीड़ यहाँ पहुंची है। उनके वेलकम के लिए लोग उन्हें एक झलक देखने के लिए यहाँ पहुंचे। तस्वीरें हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं। अर्नब गोस्वामी जेल से बाहर आ गए। अर्नब गोस्वामी जेल से बाहर। अर्नब गोस्वामी बेशक 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 शीरत की जीत है, कोई नहीं रोकेगा। बेशक 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 जय बेशक। ये नहीं